Hi everybody, it's early Saturday morning and I am diamond painting and I have my Grandkitty Gracie, so I thought I'd pop on and say hello. I am working on Summer Gold by Diane Nadolny Art, and I'm just about finished with my tray here. I'm using my new pen with lipstick. Let me see at the top. I thought this was adorable. It's a small pen. It's kind of, what are you doing? Kind of chunky, so it's easy to hold. I have this one too. I haven't used this one yet. This one is a seafoam green, and it's got the little jewel on the top. I thought that was cute. Somebody join me. I have my phone angled down, so I really can't see who you are, but thank you. I've been painting for a while. I was going live on my own business page, and then Gracie joined me, so I thought I'd stop by and say hello. So if you have assistants, please comment below with pictures of your diamond painting assistants. I'm sitting in my room with my painting on my lap desk. My lap desk is a little broken, but I still insist on using it because I love it so much. I just need to glue it. And it still works just fine. Whoops. Oh, I didn't pick up a pen. Oh, geez. You know, I'm using cheaters, but I didn't notice that I didn't pick up a dot. So what I'm working on now is the mountains. There was the Summer Gold is a photo of a lily in the sun. And there is a pond, a little bit of a pond in the back. And then the mountains and the sky. Oh, there's the image. I can show you that. There. I love this. I love the colors. I can't wait to start working on the lily itself. But I have my painting covered in sections, and I'm doing, oops, I'm over here and I'm not even showing you. I'm doing a section at a time. I've got it covered. And I'll show you the colors of the lilies, of the lily. Look, all these different oranges and yellows. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to start working on this lily. I've been very good. I'm doing a section at a time and not jumping ahead. But now I know why people say they don't want to work on one color for so long, because I would think, well, you know, you're working on the painting as a whole, but I can't wait to see this lily come to life. So what are you guys working on? Show me. Wow, there's 12 people on. Thank you. I'm just finishing up this tray of this green. And my cat joined me. So here I am. This is Gracie. She's my Grandkitty. And I have my coffee. Don't do that. She has this thing. I mean, this is a fabric canvas, but she's licking it. She has this thing that chewed chocolate. She does not chew. She does not chew chocolate. She has this thing for chewing plastic. I think she likes the crinkles. So this is not plastic. She has breakfast. I don't know why she wants to lick this. Oh, maybe the salt for my hands. I don't know. Just mischievous too. She is a mischievous one. She'll get up in my closet and then she'll jump down and knock clothes off the hangers or whatever. So I just went live on my other site, and it was on my business site. It was like 45 minutes, but I had no clue. I was just having fun, just talking. So are you guys all set for the holidays? Hanukkah's going on right now. And then Christmas is coming. And I realized I'm probably not going to go anywhere for Christmas. We didn't go anywhere for Thanksgiving. But it's probably going to be the same for Christmas too because of COVID. So I'm going to try to plan something special for me and my son that I don't know. I'm gonna try to come up with something different, not just opening presents and eating, because that would kind of be a disappointment. You know, not spending time with family. But my mom is gone. My brother is a nurse in the emergency room, so I won't go see him because, you know, he's worried about COVID too, and so he's doing the social distancing and all that, and doing what he needs to do to work in the field that he works in. And my niece is taking, you know, she didn't host Thanksgiving this year because of COVID. It's just, so the day is what you make it. I am determined not to be disappointed by not getting together with family this year. I am determined to do something different and fun and enjoyable. My son is 18, so, you know, that's going to be kind of hard. Anything I do is, ugh, Mom. So, you know how teenagers are. And there's no little ones in my family. Well, there is a little one in my family. I have great nieces, but they're 8 and 9. No, wait a minute. They're 10 and older. There we go. When my son was little, I'm divorced happily. When my son was little, and we'd have to split Christmas. The years that my ex had my son for Christmas Eve and Christmas morning, I would invite my family over the Sunday before Christmas, and we would have Christmas dinner and exchange presents, and I had the entire day with my son. And Christmas Day, I only had him for half the day, but we already had our Christmas, and it's a day, and it's what you make of it. So I made it special when he was little, and I have wonderful memories of that. I am so dying to work on this lily, but I'm going to do, looks like I'm going to do more darker colors for a little while. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. And have a wonderful day.